that said, one of my biggest just pet peeves and frustrations in the network marketing industry is how companies want to just own you. And when you recognize that 99% of people are not making a full-time income, over 95% are not making anything, and you want to handcuff those people to your company and not let them do anything else, even though they're making nothing, even though they're a loyal customer, they like your product, they're talking highly of your company and your products, they like being a part of it, but you're not letting them do anything else because they're in your network marketing company, like that doesn't make any sense. And that is completely the opposite of helping people. That's actually hurting people. First of all, you're charging them 8 to 10 times prices on stuff that they may or may not need when they could get a better product on Amazon for a quarter of the price. And now you're not letting them make money anywhere else because they're in your company. That is what's wrong. One of the multiple things that's wrong with the network marketing industry. And that's why, and we do talk about this a lot, that you're allowed in Livegood to do whatever you want. You can be involved in other network marketing companies. You can be involved in other home-based businesses. You can have other side hustles. You can do whatever you want. First of all, we don't think it competes because there's nothing out there that competes with Livegood. We have the highest quality products at the best prices anywhere. And if you guys want to buy some products from Livegood and some products from somewhere else, maybe we don't have everything yet, or you want to be involved in another company because you're only making $50 or $100 here, maybe $200, $500, whatever, you want to make a little bit extra in somewhere else, that's fine. Like, we don't have a problem with that. In fact, we kind of encourage it. I don't want you guys thinking that just because you're in Livegood, you can't do anything else. We want everyone to be successful, both physically and financially. And we recognize the network marketing industry. I mean, if it was easy, there wouldn't be 95% of people not making any money. If it was easy, everyone would be able to make money. It's a challenging business. It's hard to sell a product, especially all these other companies that are marking stuff up 8 to 10 times. It's hard to build a business. And so it's a lot easier here. Yes, but at the same time, we recognize, with a $10 a month compensation plan, you need a lot more people to be able to make a lot of money. Sometimes it's slower to build up that long-term residual income. It's definitely more stable and solid. Once you build it, it's not going away. It's just going to continue to grow and grow and grow every month. But if you want to supplement that while you're building, if you find something else that you enjoy, that you like, that you believe in, that you think is going to help people, absolutely be a part of it. And so I want to get that out there because that's how we think. That's how we believe. That's what we're about in Livegood, is helping people, not handcuffing them, not tying them to our company, putting on, they call it the golden handcuffs. That's not what we're about, because everybody needs Livegood. Everybody needs these products, and you're going to find other people who need these products. And you have the opportunity to go out there and share it with them, even if you're in something else, or if you're not in something else, it doesn't matter. And so, what I saw this week was a couple people apparently were promoting something else that they felt was helpful to other people, which is totally fine. I don't have a problem with that at all. But I saw some other people bashing them for doing that and saying, that's not cool. You're in Livegood. Focus on Livegood. Only focus on Livegood. Guys, that's not what we want to, the message we want to send. That's not the culture we want to create. We want to help everybody. We want everyone saying, and these people, we're not saying anything bad about Livegood. They're very happy with our products, with our compensation plan, with everything that we've got going. I mean, no company does calls like this on a Friday, so uplifting and motivational and inspirational and training, and have awesome speakers and guests on the calls. Like, we're doing some really, really cool stuff, rolling out new products every single month. Again, we have a lot of stuff in the pipeline.